Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to complete the achievements fast and grow a garden beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I give you the tips, I'm going to open up my garden guide book. I'm going to search for guide. Okay, and let's open the garden guide. And then we can go to the achievements menu guys. And I'm going to open up the common achievements. As you can see, I have already completed this common achievements. And then we need to shovel plants, harvest fruits, and then also sell fruits and gift fruits to our friends. And the mission or the quest is the same for each achievements, as you can see. What makes them different is on the fruit, the kind of fruit that you need to harvest or that you need to sell. Okay, it's based on its category. As you can see, this is for the uncommon achievements. And tips from me, guys. As soon as the seed restocked in the seed shop, you need to immediately buy it. Okay, you need to buy the seed as much as you can, like this, so you can easily destroy it to complete the mission to shuffle plants. And I recommend you to shuffle the plant which has lower value, such as blueberry and also the strawberry. Okay, and then I'm going to shuffle my blueberries and also the strawberries. I'm going to go to the shuffle and I'm going to shuffle the plant like this. Okay, you can buy the blueberry and also the strawberry as much as you can, so you can easily complete the mission or the quest. Okay, and to give fruits to the players, I recommend you to play the grow a garden game with your friends so you can easily give them with your fruits. Okay, and yeah, that's all the tips from me guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.